That's one way of doing it. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a humid day out this morning. It's been humid the last few days. Not that I'm complaining, because I'm not looking forward to the winter coming. Here, let me wipe you off. You're fogging up on me here. Better? Yeah, it's better. So, just doing our regular daily routine here. As you've noticed in previous videos, I'm still fogging up a little bit on you, aren't I? I'm telling you, it's muggy and humid out here. But as you've noticed in previous videos, look at those guys, always doing their thing. But we got some baby chickens, some little chicks. Don't know if you guys caught that or not. So what I do here is, see, the top bunker here, aka coop, is these guys, the older ones. We call them the teens and the toddlers. And then down below where we kept old Clyde, if you've missed that video, you need to check it out when Clyde found his new home. Well, that's the new brooder now down there. If Foghorn get out of the way. See the door? But anyway, that's where the babies are. So what I do is, to keep them separated and so no harm will come to them, is I'll let the teens and toddlers out. Come on, ladies. Come on, gentlemen. And no free range for the day. Oh no, what's up, sis? What's up, sis? What's up, sissy? Foghorn, he's always the last one out. And this was before the chicks, so it has nothing to do with the chicks, but he is definitely interested in them. Well, they're not coming out now because of her. Come on, let's get back, let these guys out. Come on, sis. So, there they go. And there goes Foghorn doing his normal daily routine. No, get out of there, Foghorn. Come on. Foghorn, let's go. Come on, boy. Boy, don't buck up to me. You kidding me? Don't you buck up to me. Go. 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 Well, he thinks he's tough crap, but he ain't getting away with it with me. He's gotten a hold of baby girl a couple times. Her feet anyway, nothing major, but still. He thinks he's the man of the roost, which I guess he is of this section, but this whole house and this property, it's me. And baby girl's next in line, so no. You go ahead and go about your thing. Don't talk back to me, dude. Hear me? Anyway, now that those guys are gone, I will introduce you guys to the little chickens, the little babies. And as you can see, they come right out. They're getting bigger. They're about a week and a half old now. But that way they could run around and play through the day. They're doing really good. But maybe we'll get lucky and I'll show you guys how, as little ones, see those blocks we built up right there, they are already using the automatic water. Like they go up to it and they hop up there and they stretch out just fine and get to the water, which amazes me. Baby girl taught them that. I think it was like the second day that we had them. So they were only a few days old. But they're not going to do it right now, so they're probably just waking up, getting moving. Last thing they want to do is do any tricks for me on camera. That didn't sound right, but you know what I'm saying. But yeah, so that's how we do it. That's how we alternate. Is I let the old ones out, and they do their thing all day, which they love doing. They just free range around. The toddlers are no longer able to fit through the fence anymore, so for the most part, they stay in the yard. They can squeeze through certain areas like that gate there. If I wanted to block it off, I could easily just put like a piece of board there and they can get off. They could jump over the fence, but I think they're happy. They don't mess with jumping over the fence. They used to, but not no more, and they can't fit through the fence anymore. So for the most part, they stay in the yard. And we have the little babies running around, exercising. So we're happy. They go over here and eat off the big chicken's feed. As we said in, as baby girl said in the video of raising chicks from the brooder to the chicken coop, this is what they eat. And the toddlers did just fine off that. They're just as big almost as the teens now. And again, in another previous video, we talked about Foghorn's fate a little bit. I still don't know quite what to do with him. Misty is in love with him, probably because he makes the whole farm I don't know, kind of like the mascot of her farm, I guess you can call it. But I have a feeling I know what's going to be his fate, and I think you guys probably do too. But anyway, that's our routine. That's how we alternate. In case you guys wonder if you guys have older chickens and want to get babies, especially this time of year. Now, obviously, here, let me get some water. Now, obviously, if it was really, really cold out or something like that, we wouldn't be doing it like that. We'd have to keep them in the house and eat lamp or whatever until they grew their adult feathers, whatever you want to call them, where they can stay warm enough. But another thing is, guys, is if you guys get water out of a garden hose, which I'm sure majority of you guys do, spray out what's in the hose because it'll be hot and nasty. Just a little FYI. I mean, if you guys never think about it, so just kind of spray out a little bit so it starts getting cool. Now all that water, excess water, just sits in the hose. I wouldn't want to drink it, would you? So let's fill this up. Let's fill this up for them. We'll get them more in here in a minute. We're going to be tackling some tree work today. Just cutting some limbs down, nothing major. But it does get kind of exciting, just a heads up. So but we just had some fallen dangling branches and stuff that we wanted to. There you go, girls. Yeah, they're all doing their own thing now. But yeah, we just had some dangling branches we needed to get cut down and everything, and it ended up being like a tree cutting frenzy. What do you want, Ruger? What do you want, pup? You sit? Sit. Good boy. Good boy. Say hi to the camera. Shake. Now, sit. 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 Ruger, Riley, sit. No, I said sit. 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 Hey, butthead, get out of there. Oh, man, 2 puppies at once. I'll never do it again. Love them to death, but never do it again. Well, I wanted to show you guys this. So, this is my new little gas saver. So, my neighbor, his roommate, didn't want it no longer because he moved in with his lady friend. Let her sit over there a little bit more. Just let her sit more often. Don't put the miles on her and the gas. But this thing right here probably gets about 35 to 40 miles a gallon, and it's a Suzuki Reno. But it's a nice little car. It's a 5-speed manual. But I mean, it's an 06, I believe. 06, 07. Just had to get a new battery for it. Got to get some new brakes. Got the battery yesterday, so I got it going. Got the tires aired up. Excuse me. I'm still trying to get where I'm not all tongue-tied. But the door locks, you know how you usually have a button like the door lock, right? So when the door is shut, it's the door locks trying to activate, but they don't activate with the door open. So if I shut it and got in it, I'd be able to. Here, I'll show you. It's different. I've never seen it before. So if I hit this door lock, let me see if I can get another angle of another lock. If I hit this door lock over here, it locks and unlocks all the doors, which is kind of odd to me. Let's see if I can get that one back there. See? Oh, pretty different. I don't know, guess because it's foreign, I guess. I don't know. Nothing against foreign at all. I mean, obviously, I bought the car, but I don't know. Got a hell of a deal on it. Couldn't say no. Like I said, I wanted a gas saver. Got me a gas saver. It's going to make its money back in its own way. Obviously, instead of going to the pump. Here, you guys want to come in? Come on. So yeah, so now all the animals are out, having fun. These guys want to come back in because they're going to do their thing now. They're going to fight over. We have like a couple of these bones in the house, and yet they still feel the urge to fight over one, just like a child. Just like a child. You guys want a treat? You guys want a treat? Here, let me turn this light on for you guys. Yeah, we give them these treats right here. They love them. Sit. Sit. Well, I'm going to get ready, hydrated, get some fluids in me to get this tree work started. So, stay tuned.
Hey, what's up? Yeah, my brand new Barbie soul, I guess you could say.
Sanjo.
Senjo, I don't know. So I'm going to try a new profession. I'm going to play lumberjack today.
That little guy right there is about to come down. It's little. It might appear bigger in the screen, but it's not. And then she's going to take that whole big tree down with the chainsaw or the pole saw. No, just kidding. So yeah, anyway, we're going to cut this little pile up right here in the fire pit. I'm going to try to get it going with the little trusty flamethrower. Series. No way am I affiliated. I actually opened my wallet up and paid the huge $25 for this drill. Well, stop making drills.
Yeah, but now they got that company bought or is like replacement of Rockwell or whatever. What's up, Bob?
I almost took the dog out. Shop Series. No way am I affiliated. I'll open up my wallet and paid the big $25 for it. You already know that?
Yeah.
Well, baby girl's chopping it down. I better move all of this stuff.
Yeah, you better, because
my Shop Series drill.
Yep, I don't want to ruin that $25.
It's a lot taller, you know, when you stay underneath it. You know what?
Can I start on that side?
Yeah, start on this.
Okay.
Come on. We're cooking now. Yeah, I'm not quite sure our plan of attack on this guy. Okay, stop. That's one way of doing it. Yeah, what do you guys think about that? Like these electric spools I've got some discs, the tops, over on the side of the barn over there, and if we just cut this trunk down to about table height, it might make a good little table for out here. What are you doing, Dad? Come on, Pep! Come on! He's like, I was being good, Dad. I was staying away from the trees. We don't need no water, let the mother burn. Burn, mother, burn. Now it's like burning so fast, I'll make sure we keep up with it. Well, you kind of play too? Oh, how far is it, man? That looks like it's a little bit longer. Yours is longer than mine. That one over there, hanging over the tree and that propane thing. Well,
Guys, knock it off.
Which one? Start right here. Which one you know about? Hang on a bit.
I got you. Woo! That was a heavy one.
Up on the driving set in the yard. I want to say it powers itself in and out. Has a front drive, a rear one. If not, it has to be hooked to the truck, but still. We can get it positioned back here. I can go up there and
That'd be nice.
try to do the same thing to that and then shoot, you know, shooting small sections just like this
Yeah.
and get knocked down.
Yeah, I mean, that'd be awesome because
Now if I get, you know, 2 or 3 people in this, there'll be a whole lot less on all of us.
when are you doing this?
I want to try to do it here in the next month,
Okay.
September.
Yeah, because I mean, it's one thing if it takes up my fence.
Yeah, well, if it takes up the tank, it could.
That could be bad. The pressure.
If it hit, yeah, if it hits hard enough, it could spark.
I'm saying, yeah, I don't want none of that happening. Yeah, if it's something you don't feel comfortable with, don't worry about it.
I didn't get my nickname for nothing.
What's your nickname? Douche?
That shit.
Oh, bat shit.
No, that's their name, dude.
I'm coming at you. That's my money shot.
Sorry.
I pimper out. I pimper out on YouTube. Let's stick the butt out more.
Is there anything else?
No, that's good.
All right, man. Sorry, I can help you.
Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Well, this turned out to be quite the little tree cutting frenzy. Yeah, so the neighbor came over, brought his gas-powered pole saw, and we got our Barbie doll pole saw. We must have looked desperate. You know.
Yeah, I like our Barbie pole saw.